We'll guide you through how to add a website shortcut to the iPhone home screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a website shortcut on your iPhone home screen is really convenient because you can then quickly access it, you can tap on it and get taken straight there. So if you frequently go and use a certain website, it makes sense to do this. Otherwise, you have to go and open up your browser and type it in, but this is much quicker. So go and open up Safari. It should be at the bottom bar here. Otherwise, drag down and search for it. Then what you want to do is go and search for the site you want to do this with. So I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm like so. And let's go and say I wanted to do it to this link tree here. I'll go and tap on it. When you're on the site, what you then want to do is you want to go and head to the bottom right and press the three dots. After you do that, you need to go and find the option for share. This then opens up, and what you want to do is you can go and press view more or drag down and find the option add to home screen and tap there. You can give it a name and you can press add, and you can choose if you want to open it as a web app or be open with the default browser, which I will. Then I'll go and press add. Then when you tap on it, it'll go and take you there.